The functional task we chose was a turn and cut run. The athlete was instructed to run as fast as possible to the designated lines while planning and cutting and then exploding through their run to the next line. For patient education, we told the athlete to run as fast as possible. Before they cut, they had to make sure that they planted with their outside foot, and they also needed to explode off to the next sprint after cutting. We chose a cut and run test because it focuses on different functional items. It tests the athlete's speed, cutting abilities, which could be sport specific, their balance when cutting, and their coordination to be able to plant and cut effectively. To return to play, the athlete needs to be at 85% of their time pre-injury. Our sport-specific task was a vertical jump test that could be used for a volleyball player. The athlete was told to reach as high as they could in a volleyball blocking position. This height was measured to help find how far their vertical jump was once they actually jumped. For patient education, we told the athlete to coil themselves down as far as possible, that is, to squat as deep as they could to push off to reach a maximum height. They were reminded to not bend their knees in or let them buckle, and once they jumped, they were to fully extend their arms and their legs. The patient was instructed to jump as high as they could, and a mark was made at the height reached. However high they jumped was subtracted from the starting height to find their vertical jump height. The athlete was told to jump 3 times, and an average of all 3 jumps were taken to get the total height jumped. We picked the vertical jump task because as a hitter in volleyball, in order to return to play, a vertical jump at least 85% of the height pre-injury is imperative to have in order to be effective again. If the vertical jump height is not where it needs to be, the player is not ready for return.